Hello, everybody. Welcome to a new course I'm putting out for all that are seeking knowledge. Basically, this course is on how to set up a Windows server, put it up on the cloud, and test this exchange for you-know-what that's deemed dangerous content, and put a test order through it. So let's say your situation is any of these. You're an algo trader trying to set up automation for your trading. Maybe you're a tech DevOps specialist who knows how to configure Windows servers in the cloud. Maybe you're an engineer wanting to run a trading bot 24/7, and you want to have a reliable and secured virtual server running for all the above conditions. So why is this being put together? Well, it's basically as a pre-qualifier to see if you have the technical chops to get into the Quant Elite service. Okay, so let's say you consider this. Let's say you want to know how to design a strategy. Let's say you want to know what all the infrastructures, pieces, and components that go into a trading bot. There's a course that they got that's part of that Elite service, so you have that to use as leverage. Also, about you, this is what is hopeful, that you have technical know-how in Microsoft Windows, specifically servers, some basic Python knowledge, and other basic tech powers. To get into this field, you need to have inner drive with motivation to be highly successful. You also have to be open-minded to technical asset classes in the world of finance that are deemed dangerous content by YouTube. Okay, in this course, this is what you're going to learn. First module, it's basically about hosting on vulture.com, which is like a cheaper, much faster, more reliable, less political than Amazon. They have a Vulture cloud service, so that will include how to set up a server and go through the configuration. Basically, there's another lesson here to know how to use Vulture, how to install the Windows server, and the next section, which is about half an hour, configuring Windows Server 2019 edition virtual server, knowing how to develop to configure it from scratch on Vulture with necessary Python packages or modules. Okay, what you're also going to learn in the second module, and the whole thing's probably just over an hour. So in the second module, we have Binance configuring, testing, and scripting. Also, how to retrieve your API and secret keys, how to implement them, and get a real-world test order pushed through or get a fill. And that's pretty well it. So you can sign up, and hopefully we'll see you, as they say, on the other side. Thanks for watching.